Welcome to Technia TV. I am Jagriti Basera, faculty of BJMC from Technia Institute of Advanced Studies. Today's topic is news element in radio. What makes a story newsworthy? Pay close attention to these 10 elements of newsworthiness to see which applies to your particular announcement. Good news stories have more than one of these elements. First, proximity, location. If an event is happening nearby, it will impact reader more than if it were happening somewhere else. That does not affect them as much in other state or in other country. Depending on the story, it may as well as be the same thing. Second, prominence. A well-known person, place or event has a stronger news angle than something that has the audience isn't familiar with. A guest speaker visiting your local elementary school to take over story time does not resonate with many people unless the speaker is Oprah. Third, timeliness. Current news has more impact than something that happened yesterday or last week. The news media loses interest in the past events because there is always fresh news somewhere. Fourth, oddity. If something is unusual, shocking, or strangeness alone could make it newsworthy. Think Octomom. Fifth, consequence. If the impact of event may directly affect readers, they will want to know about it. A run-of-the-mill at the Watergate Hotel was a white noise on the airways until it became clear what the identities of the key players meant for the nation. That bit of the news cost a US president his seat. Sixth, conflict. Readers are always interested in disagreements, arguments. If an event has a conflict attached to it, many readers will be interested on the basis of alone. Let's not forget that it's human nature to choose sides and stand up for the choice. Stories that involve conflict includes those about religion, sports, business, trial, war, human rights, violations, politics, or even struggles against nature, animals, or outer space. 7. Human interest. If a situation draws many sort of emotional reaction, then it might contain the news element of the human interest story. These stories can be soft kid at the petty juice snapshot, inspiring comeback account, incompetence on the part of public figures. 8. Extreme. Reporter and audiences alike love to hear about the first and the best and the longest and the smallest and the highest. If you can claim one for yourself, do it. 9. Scandal. Everyone loves to hate on the philandry congressman who sent inappropriate pictures under the absurd ritual handle. If you have got info on an honest to goodness scandal, reporters everywhere are fronting at the mouth to get the scoop on it. 10th, impact. Whether it is peaceful protest that encompasses 5 city block or 23 car pile up on the pike, the more people involved in the event, the more newsworthy it is. Similarly, the number of people affected by the event will affect its newsworthiness, whether it is an adjustment of the minimum wage. That's all for a day. For more videos, subscribe Technia TV. Thank you and have a nice day.